Akala ng karamihan kailangan engineer ka para kumita ka sa construction industry. Nope. At dito nagkakamali ang karamihan because I know 10 people that works in the construction VA industry at hindi sila nakatapos ng engineering or architecture. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Ang role mo lang as a construction virtual assistant would be to handle emails, pinakang majority is yung magkikreate ng estimates, magmamanage ng schedules, and so much more. Lahat yan online. Now again, as I've mentioned sa mga previous videos ko, syempre malaking tulong kung ito talaga yung ginagawa mo bilang kabuhayan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin hindi mo na pwedeng matutunan yung pagtulong sa pag-create ng estimates step by step kung tuturuan ka naman. May mga clients na nagtuturo sila sa mga VAs nila. However, I have seen so many job posts ngayon na naghahanap ng marunong na talagang mag-create ng estimates. Kaya we created this class for construction VA. You will have guides, magkakaroon kayo ng mga mock tasks para ma-practice ninyo and just to see kung para sa inyo talaga tong industry na to. Ito yung tinatawag namin dati na internship but we are changing the name to Client Simulation and Training Lab. So mararanasan mo yung actual tasks using mock systems bago ka pa mag-apply. Hindi ka zero, hindi ka clueless. This is something that you want to learn at gusto nyo mag-join sa class namin this coming Friday, punta lang kayo sa Blue App, mag-comment kayo ng Construction VA and we'll send you over the link. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. We'll see you sa classroom. Bye!